In this video, you will learn how to insert an image in CorelDraw. I'll tell you 2 ways in this video to import images in your project. The first way is click on the File menu, click on Import. Select the folder which you want to import an image from. Select an image. Click on this import button and then simply click where you want to place it. Here is your image. The second way is click on this icon or press Ctrl+I button. Select the image and then click on this import button. That's it for this video. Thank you for your patience. Subscribe to our channel to get regular updates. Also, click on the bell button.